頭先佢帶我睇咗佢幾款新嘅車啦，咁我覺得無論啲外形啊，或者喺性能方面都非常之好啦。咁啊，仲可以見到佢哋有機械狗啦、機械人啦，咁所以我覺得個感覺係好新鮮啊，好好玩。
啟動！
國際汽車及供應鏈博覽會首次喺香港舉行，吸引300多間參展商。除咗新能源汽車外，機械人同機械狗亦成為焦點。
Really nice. I saw a lot of cool, interesting things.
It was nice to see some different models, some different sizes of cars, a sport car, family car. So it's really nice to see the variety of types of cars. We have an actual dog at home, so it's always exciting to see like the technological. Not a live version, but a robotic version of it. It's not really the same as an actual dog, but it's really cool that it can do tricks and it's really, with the cameras, with the sensor, it reads where you are, it can interact with you, so that's really exciting to check out.
我看了一个做 VR 眼镜那个体验模拟飞行器，给民用的飞机培训飞行员，我上去体验了一下，感觉还是很好的，他们的画面很清晰。而且那个座椅在动，就是包括你可以操控那个手柄来感受那个飞行的体验，还是很新奇的。